Kids TV. Hello friends, today we learn about letter W. Before that, let's review. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. W for watermelon. 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 W for watch. watch. W for whale. whale. Bye bye. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe my channel.